Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our 2020 17-foot Boston Whaler Dauntless. This is a white boat on a galvanized trailer, 115 horse Mercury outboard. We'll take a look at this boat, take a look at how we option this boat. The boat does have the ski tow, the bimini top, the split bow rail, does have the forward cushion. Boat does have a core in front of the helm with some rod holders. That's the helm seat. There's seats in the back on either side. Rod holders, cup holders. Boat does have a swim platform with a boarding ladder. More rod holders mounted in the boat. Live well under the seat. Boat does have electronics. Boat has a fusion stereo, Raymarine, GPS fish finder plotter, Raymarine VHF. Boat does have a 12-volt outlet and a USB port. Boat has tackle storage on the side. Come and take a look. Thank you.